This is a 1500 watt power inverter. Besides having the plugs installed upside down, it's bulky and requires an external battery that is even bigger. The external battery has to provide 1500 watts. Let's fix this. I want to put a battery inside of it so it's smaller. I went for this LiPo battery right here. This thing has 40C, which basically means 40 times the milliamp hour right here. That's like 85 amps. We're going to somehow mount this inside the inverter and try to power various items. Let's get started. Alright, look at that. There's our inputs. We're going to attach it right there. The XT60 on the battery converts to a DINS with this little adapter here. I'll use these two connectors here to connect to the two bolts here. Cool. If you can help support the channel, check out my Patreon because I've officially run out of money for making these videos. I hope you guys like this video and I'll see you guys next time.